Every aspect of this new ISF reflects its performance-driven design, beginning with the high-output 5-liter V8. The dual intake not only adjusts the path length to maximize airflow dynamics, but opens a second wider opening at higher RPM to get more air to where it's needed fast. Like race cars, this engine also sports a head-scavenging oil pump system to keep oil circulating, and there's a special fuel sub-tank to keep an ample supply of gas at the pump in spite of the added G-forces this vehicle can generate. Fueling all this performance, a dual-stage fuel injection system delivers precisely timed bursts of atomized fuel into the manifold and directly into the cylinders themselves, depending on the demands of the driver and the road. Like all Lexus vehicles, this new ISF includes VVTi, then adds an electrically driven intake adjustment to create VVTi-E for even more precise control of the critical intake timing. Helping to enhance that accuracy are new, lighter titanium intake valves. At the back end, a new high-volume sport-tuned exhaust system offers enhanced breathing, while delivering the kind of sound you would expect to hear from a performance vehicle of this caliber.
Sound is awesome, composed all the creature comforts. At the same time, you have that nice deep throttle that you hear every time you step on the gas, and gives you that unbelievable rush.
Oh yeah, you can hear it, you feel it. It's all, I mean, it's all sensory perception. You feel it, hear it, taste it. Oh yeah, great.
Designed specifically for this track-proven power plant, the new 8-speed Sport Direct Shift automatic transmission does as much for the driving experience as the engine itself. In drive mode, it shifts at points designed to balance both performance and fuel economy while providing a smooth, comfortable ride. Kick it to sport mode and you get more of what you'd expect from a car like this, as the system boosts throttle response, dials in more steering feedback, and shifts gears at higher RPM to maximize performance. Now, shift the transmission into manual, and you take the experience to an all-new level. In manual mode, the torque converter locks up in every gear except first, delivering the direct, connected feel of a manual transmission without the need of a clutch pedal. And when you tap a shift paddle, the ISF completes the gear change so fast it would make a professional race driver proud. At 1/10 of a second per gear change, this could be the fastest shifting automatic transmission currently available in a production automobile. In fact, the changes happen so fast, you may feel the engine control actually blip the throttle to help sync the gears on aggressive downshifts.
The blips and stuff when downshifts, just whoop! You just feel it, you hear it. You can just feel it through the entire car, but at the same time, in a beautifully manicured cabin, just like you're in a luxury car that's a fighter jet at the same time.
ISF engineers countered this incredible powertrain with Brembo 6-piston brakes and pillar fin ventilated and cross-drilled 14.2-inch rotors up front. Balancing brake control in the rear, you'll find 13.6-inch rotors drilled and ventilated the same way, and mated with 2-piston calipers. All 4 brakes include high-friction brake pads. Every aspect of the double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension, shocks, springs, struts, control arms, and even wheel bearings has been upgraded or redesigned to manage the increased loads and provide the precise handling performance drivers at this level expect.
Oh, it's an unbelievable car. It's a fabulous ride. It's very smooth, very stable, very controlled. The acceleration as that goes and the slowing down of the car just kind of sets back on itself so comfortably and so stable around the turns. It's really a wonderful ride.
To complement the suspension, engineers incorporated a special version of the Lexus Vehicle Dynamics Integrated Management Technology, or VDIM. With the electronic throttle and power steering systems, along with the Lexus standard vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake assist, anti-lock braking system, and electronic brake force distribution. VDIM works with these other features by monitoring their sensors to anticipate potential control challenges like front or rear wheel slip, then uses these same systems to take action to help prevent the problem before it becomes apparent to the driver. The ISF's VDIM can be used in 3 modes. In default or normal mode, it steps in to quickly help minimize an impending control situation using individual brakes and, if needed, the throttle and power steering controls. When the driver selects Sport mode on the transmission, VDIM steps back, allowing you to push the vehicle closer to its physical limits before the system steps in to help you maintain control. For extremely low traction conditions, the system can be turned off. This also offers the most skilled of drivers an opportunity to take the ISF right to the edge on a racetrack. All these performance-driven systems have come together to provide a truly outstanding driving experience for even the most experienced driving enthusiast. By the numbers, the ISF delivers 416 horsepower and 371 pound-feet of torque for a 0 to 60 time of 4.6 seconds. It's smooth at track speeds over 120 miles per hour and capable of reaching 170 miles per hour. Yet all the numbers taken together can't convey the sheer exhilaration you'll feel when you hear the angry growl of the engine. When you feel the acceleration press you back into the seat. When you experience the unfettered thrill as the ISF carves through turns at your command.